Hello everyone, here's Evita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is the start of fall cleanup. It's still summer, but it turned really cold in the evenings now, and the temperature dropped from 28 degrees centigrade 2 days ago, and now it's only almost 20. So long sleeves now. Yeah, please enjoy the vlog, and I hope to see you again in the next one. This one is my summer song rose, and it has very beautiful burnt orange flowers, and I really love it, but it's just giving me a problem. I've been thinking of taking it out for many years now, and then I would push it aside and give it another chance, but it's just not very healthy. So I will be digging that out. Maybe I'll give it another chance and put it in a pot and position it someplace where I can really take care of it. And then I will be replacing it with a Caryopteris. I have Caryopteris in the garden, and they even self-seed, and I keep transferring them all over the place and to my other garden. And I found another variety from the garden center that I'd like to transfer here. It is winter hard, and it grows up to a height of 1.20 meters. So I'll be taking that rose out and the lavenders in front and transferring it some other place. The Caryopteris Good as Gold, and it has different foliage than the one that I have in the garden, and it grows up to 1.20 meters. It has the same flowers like the ones that I already have here, and it's a magnet for pollinators. So even if I have a heavy heart taking out my summer song rose, I think this is a very good compromise. I'm done planting the Caryopteris Good as gold, and it took forever to take out those two lavenders because they were just too close to the stones there, but I managed. Now I'm also tired. I will be digging out some Auga that I found growing in between the walkway, and I'll be transplanting them on the slope just below the Caryopteris to hold the soil in case it rains a lot, so it will not wash away. So I'm done with this area. I already planted the bagbane or Augas. It rained a lot last night and the soil didn't wash away. A few probably. But when they start growing, they have a lot of roots, and they'll be able to hold the soil up here. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye now.